All right, there's a question on the homework to use the binomial theorem to expand this. So it's a decimal to the power 8, so if I'm expanding this, let's first make it look like a binomial. So how about 1 plus 0.02 to the 8? And then I have to expand that. Do you know how many terms it's going to have? 9, right? And now, I can do all of the terms by using the C button of the calculator, right? So the first term is going to be, I'm going to use the C button. So I put an 8 here and a 0 here, correct? And I put a 1 and a 0.02. 1 to the 8th and 0.02 to the 0. Plus the next term is going to be 8C1, and then it's going to be 1 to the 7th, 0.02 to the 1st, plus 8C2, 1 to the 6th, 0.02 to the 2nd. I'm going to continue down here, plus 8C3, 1 to the 5th, 0.02 to the 3rd, plus 8C, what's next? 4, 1 to the 4, 0.02 to the 4. You notice the exponent on the second thing is always the second number in the C. So the next one after 8C4, what have I got? 8C5, 1 and 0.02. This is to the 5th, this is to the 3rd, plus 8C6, 0.02 to the 6th, 1 to the 2nd, plus 8C7, 1 to the 1st, 0.02 to the 7th, plus 8C8, 1 to the 0, 0.02 to the 8th. Now, let's check. Remember we said we needed 9 terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another thing we want to check. The exponents at each level have to add up to 8. 8 and 0, 8. 7 and 1, 8. 6 and 2, 5 and 3, 4 and 4, 3 and 5. 2 and 6, 1 and 7, 0 and 8. And, you know, you can see the patterns through that. At this point, I can find all of these answers, and I'm going to write them down and add them up. Okay, so I'm going to get you started on this. Let me move my screen down a little bit so I have some room. So if I figure this one out, 8C0, if you use your calculator, right, you know what that comes out to, I hope, which is 1, plus, then when you do 8C1, you should get an 8, and then I have 1 to the 7th, which I know is 1, and I have 0.02 to the 1, right? Then, when I do 8C2, I should come up with 28, and then I have 1 to the 6th, which is 1, so I'm not going to write that, and then 0.02 squared, right? And then the next one I'm going to get is 56 times 0.02 to the 3rd. Now, I'm not going to finish this. I'm going to let you finish it. But I want you to, at this point, I want you to put it in your calculator and put what you officially get for that answer. All right? So what's 8 times 0.02? Hopefully 0.16. What's 28 times 0.02 squared? It's 0.0112 plus. So you're going to get all of those decimal answers. How many decimal answers are you going to have there? 9 answers. Then you're going to add them up. And hopefully you will get an answer that is approximately 1.172. So, add them up and see what you get. Good luck.